So we've been having this issue with whenever this printer is doing a fast extrusion, it is skipping super hard, and I'll include a clip of that. Well, I get it all apart and come to find out that it is absolutely covered in crap. So I'm gonna be taking some time to clean and make it better. I don't know if I'm doing a good job of getting that on camera, but the Planetary gears are just caked in little bits of plastic and crap, and probably has a lot to do with why it's skipping. So I'm gonna clean it with isopropyl alcohol and I'm gonna lube it back up, and I'll show you the results after that. All right, things are much cleaner on this Planetary gear. It's no longer caked with crap. Gotta clean some of this cotton swab off of it, but it's about ready to go back together. I also got the cover cleaned up. Now I need to clean this puppy. Now that everything is nice and clean, it's gonna be time for reassembly. I'm gonna lube everything and get her put back together. All right, now it's time for the reassembly. So we're gonna start out with whatever this spacer is called and slide her on in so that she's happy. And then I have my Planetary gear right here, and I need to install my brass, I don't know what it's called, if I'm being honest. Let me put the phone down. Just gonna get her installed with the chamfered side down towards the bottom. If she will cooperate, would be nice. There it is. As you can see. And so in she goes. Perfect. I need to lube it. Almost forgot about the most important part. Gotta lube it. They don't like it dry, if you know what I'm saying. So now that we're happy with the what we did, we're gonna go ahead and do calibration tests. So do fan test and run through the whole thing, and I'll check in with you once it's good. This part is the load cell test. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. So for me, this part's important because we took apart the gearbox, and so we're going to need to do the whole gearbox test. Alright, it seems to be extruding really well. I think we're doing good. No issues, no skipping, nothing. And the next thing that we're gonna do to make sure that everything is good to go and ready for the next print, we're gonna do a cold cool. So to test my solution, I made this simple box that changes color and it should be printing in fast as fuck. And yeah, so I mean, we're gonna rip it and we're gonna see how it goes